How to turn off filtered requests message on your TikTok account. How to turn off this option. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to your TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is open, as you see here, you will just go here on your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you will just go here on this three line, then click, and then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy. After this, you will just go down to direct message, and then you will find filtered requests. As you see, it's activate. You will reactivate it by turning off this icon like this, and that's it. It will work with you. That's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. So see you next.